Hi there, SFT TV. This is Kunsang reporting from Union Square here in New York City, where Tibetans and their supporters have gathered here in Union Square. Right now, they're singing the Tibetan national anthem. Just a moment ago, they were observing a moment of silence for the Tibetans who have died during the Tibetan uprising, and to show their solidarity with Tibetans and activists around the world who are currently taking action for Tibet. From Beijing to Ottawa, San Francisco to London, all over India. And we're here this evening to show our support. We're holding a protest and a candlelight vigil. The event runs from 7 to 9 p.m. and is coordinated by Students for a Free Tibet, the Tibetan Youth Congress, Candle for Tibet, and the Tibetan community of New York City.
We always had the potential. We've never actually got the opportunity, and the Beijing Olympics, I see it as the perfect opportunity that we have to showcase our struggle.
심시우톤에 소소 뒤제되는지 대할래 정원이 기쁨시 야고래 다나시기 베이징 올림픽 다나기 제난 마사바 당서 뱀이 가장 용통도 용세 바다 먹어체다 하자 계정을 했습니다.
Forcefully resisting, but non-violently resisting. Verbally forceful, but not any physical violence. And that is so unique on the planet now, with the whole devotion of the planet to militarism and the destruction of the environment everywhere, that Tibet is an example that should get everyone's support, and it does. And that is why 100 million people will light candles tonight.
I think it's really encouraging to see so many people here listening to just speakers, and a lot of people passing by who are curious. Hopefully they can come away with some knowledge about what's going on, especially at the beginning of the Olympics.
China's occupation of Tibet is illegal, and as they host their first Olympic Games, we're here to take action and show our support, and there'll be many more actions coordinated here in New York City and throughout the United States and around the world. And you can find out more information about that at freetibet2008.org.